If your Google Drive is running low on space and you want a quick, simple way to increase your storage, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to upgrade your Google Drive storage step by step, so you can keep saving files, photos, videos, and documents without running into those annoying storage full warnings. If this guide helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in with the Google account you want to upgrade. Once you're inside Drive, take a look at the left sidebar and find the option labeled Storage. This section shows you how much space you're currently using and how much is left. Click on Storage to view your usage details. Now, look for the button that says Get More Storage. This is the option Google provides to take you over to Google One, where you can choose a paid storage plan. Go ahead and click Get More Storage and you'll be redirected to the Google One page. On Google One, you'll see different storage plans available such as 100 gigabytes, 200 gigabytes, and larger options depending on your region. Take a moment to compare the plans and choose the one that fits your needs. If you only need a little extra room for documents and photos, the smaller plan may be enough. But if you store a lot of videos, backups, or shared files, a larger plan might make more sense. After selecting your plan, click Buy or Upgrade. The button name may vary slightly depending on your account and region, but the process is the same. Next, you'll be asked to enter your payment details if they're not already saved to your Google account. Carefully review the billing information, make sure the payment method is correct, and confirm the purchase. Once the transaction goes through, your Google storage will be upgraded almost immediately or within a short time after processing. After that, go back to Google Drive and refresh the page if needed. You should now see your new increased storage limit reflected in your account. And that's it. You've successfully increased your Google Drive storage. This is the fastest way to get more space when your account is full, and it helps you avoid losing access to uploads, backups, and important files. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.